Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to give you two different methods with the help of which you will be able to find Carnival Excursions promo codes in 2025. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. In the first method, you will have to come to the official website of Carnival, which is carnivals.com. And over here, you need to click on today's deals. Now over here in this list, you will be able to see all of the deals, coupon codes, offers that are currently available here. So you just have to simply select the deal in which you are interested, and this was the first method. In the second method, you just have to simply open a new tab and search for Carnival's excursions promo codes in 2025. Then you just have to simply open these websites that are providing you promo codes in a new tab one by one. You will also see the official website of Carnival Excursion with the promo code title. So you need to simply open that as well, and then hop on to these websites one by one to see what they are actually offering. Like this one, that is grabon.com. It is giving you some of the best packages and deals, so you can just activate this deal from here and you can just use it at the time of checkout. In the second method, you can see that we have opened this promo code section where you can just take a look if there is any promo code available. I guess it is cruise critic community, where you can try to find currently working promo codes. Here if I just search for promo codes, you can see that you can find some promo codes over here, but most of the time you can just try the first and the second method. Like you can find the currently working deals by clicking on today's deals option in the top. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.